So welcome to my channel. Here I am showing you how to glow up in like less than 10 minutes with press-on nails. And so here I'm using Ardell Nail Addict Premium Nails. Usually my favorite is Kiss, but I wanted to give these a try because I just liked the gemstones that they had. So I'm just showing you all the things that I am using to do my nails: alcohol to clean them, a nail kit, cotton balls. And so I'm just going to start off with like kind of shaping them, cleaning them up so that I can start the process of pressing on these nails, honey. Yeah, ladies, so as you see, I have done some of the steps, and I am just taking the nails out of the package so that I can line them up to see what I need. So in this kit we have nails, extra nails, and I like that they came in a baggie. Only thing that I did not care for was that there wasn't many gem nails. Has a glue, a cuticle pusher, a nail file. These are some of the, these are some of the good nails that's included in the package. But like I said, one thing I did not care for was that it did not have, plenty other rhinestone nails in there. But that's okay. That's cool. So I like to kind of like take the nails out to measure them to see what fits my fingers best. And these nails are actually a little bulky. I love a little slender nail, but again, I wanted to try these because I wear kiss nails if I'm doing press-ons. That's my fave. So yeah, I'm pushing cuticles back. I'm still just cleaning up my nails so that I can have the perfect foundation to put these on, because honey, when you put on these nails, it's an easy peasy out the door. Let's get the day started. One thing I did love was I love the gel. The gel was, the glue, it was kind of jelly-like. And so that was a plus for that. So yeah, just keep watching. So that's how I achieved this look in less than 10 minutes. I'm going to shape them to make them a little bit more sleek, and we are done. Thanks for watching.